For thousands of years, evolution was a passive process. We waited, we adapted, we died. Nature held the steering wheel, driving life through the slow, brutal mechanism of natural selection. But something shifted the moment we picked up the first sharp rock. We started outsourcing our evolution to our tools. Today, that external tool is becoming internal. We are standing on the precipice of the most significant shift in biological history, the era of deliberate design. This is the future of human biohacking. It starts small. It always does. It began with pacemakers and hearing aids, tech to fix what was broken. But the philosophy has shifted from restoration to enhancement. We aren't just trying to get back to baseline anymore. We are trying to shatter the ceiling. Look at the quantified self movement. It's no longer just about tracking steps. It's about continuous glucose monitoring, sleep optimization, and peptide therapies. But that's just the surface level, the software tweaks, if you will. The real revolution is in the hardware. We are seeing the dawn of wetware integration. Neural interfaces are currently the holy grail. The logic is simple. Our brains are powerful supercomputers, but our input-output methods are archaic. We communicate by pushing air through meat flaps or tapping thumbs on glass. It's incredibly low bandwidth. Companies are currently racing not just to help the paralyzed walk, but to bridge the gap between biological and artificial intelligence. If you can't beat the machine, you become the machine. Then there is the concept that is quietly gaining traction among the elite, the idea that aging is not a fact of life, but a technical bug, a glitch in the code that can be patched. From blood plasma transfusions to telomere lengthening, the goal is the death of death. But this forces us to confront a terrifying ethical canyon. If we can buy better biology, what happens to equality? We talk about the digital divide today, but imagine a genetic divide, a class of humans who are smarter, stronger, and longer lived simply because they could afford the upgrade. At what point do they stop being the same species as those who can't? This creates a caste system written into our DNA. And then there is the security risk. We struggle to keep our laptop secure. What happens when your bloodstream is connected to Wi-Fi? The term biohacking takes on a literal, sinister meaning. Could a bad actor shut down a pacemaker remotely? Could a memory be deleted? Could a mood be forcibly altered by a subscription service you forgot to renew? We are rewriting the source code of humanity without fully understanding the compiler. It is the ultimate act of hubris, and yet it seems inevitable. We are explorers by nature, and the final frontier isn't space, it's our own biology. We are taking the controls away from nature. The dashboard is lighting up, the engine is humming, and we are pressing down on the accelerator. We don't know where this road ends, but we know we aren't turning back. Evolution is now an engineering discipline. Unfold AI. Unseen, unsaid, unfolded.